drop it into the pool?
Hold up.
This is where they dropped the TV from. They pushed like a TV like this big. 36-inch TV. Dude, it's tight. It like blew up all crazy. Probably shouldn't do this in front of the firefighters.
Or that lady. Just wave at her. She looks up. I don't think they'll know it's us.
Yeah, it's also just ice here. It's just water.
Geronimo!
He's on her stroke.
Is anybody down there?
Yeah, wait till that lady goes.
Yeah. Good idea.
They dropped the TV on here. They cleaned it up real fast.
Oh, they're over there.
Alright, good to go?
We're good to go.
Awesome.
Pretty much what I expected.
They didn't even look over here.
Yeah, it was pretty quiet.
It was tired.
Looks like snow.
I know.
It's snowing!
Giant line of